Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll show how we can use a PLC logo display, one input and one output in a single program. So we have taken a ladder file. You can also take it from, so let's start a new file. From file we'll go into the new file, then you can choose any format you want. I'm choosing the ladder diagram. Okay, so once I get my diagram here, the first thing I want to do, I want to save this. So Ctrl Shift S. I want to save this file, so go to this save as function. Here you can give it a name. I'm giving the name input 1, output 1 with logo display. So choose the folder you want. Here I'm saving the file. Now from the left side, from the instructions tab, we can choose many contents we want. We'll take the first make contact. We'll give it a name from the comment tab, that is start switch. We can use that as switch or momentary push button. Let's give it a momentary push button option. Okay, now we'll take a relay coil. Let's give it a name. It's our indicator lamp. Press OK. So now we have given it name. What we want to do additionally, we want to show the status of the output into the logo PLC display. So to do so, we need to go down here from the special from the miscellaneous block. So from here we need to go to the miscellaneous block. Here we will find one option of message text on block. So bring it into the interface. So what do you want to do? We have to connect it to the power rail. So what do we want to do? We want to give some message. So let's double click on it. From here you will see some options. So let's check one by one. This is the window where you will show the messages. So let's say on the first column or first row, we want to insert the current time. So you need to choose the current time here, then insert parameter. Well, suppose in the next row we want to show the date also. So let's choose the current date and insert parameter. So next we want to check whether the output is on or off. So output. Now here we can show the on or off option. So this is what we will need. Here we'll have to choose for which element we want to change the updates. We'll choose the digital outputs. We can also show the inputs here also. So suppose we want to show the output status. So digital output Q1. Okay, so here in this block, output is on or off will be shown. Also we can show the input status also. So again, after typing in this column, I am clicking on this on off option. From here we will need to choose digital input, and which input you want to show a status for, you will have to choose here, then okay. Well, this is all for the programming in this simple demonstration. So now where you want to show your display, it's only for the logo display. We do not have the additional logo TD display thing. Or you can also use this screen setup for web servers also. So for now we'll be showing the logo display. There is nothing for now we want to show here. Let's click OK. So this is one thing you need to do first. You need to also connect these contents properly so that there is no open terminal. And finally, to work with this logo display, we'll need to take one make contact, and be careful, this make contact is only for this special function message display. So we have taken a message block and we need to terminate it. For that purpose I am taking a make contact block. If you go down, you will find it, message text. So now connect it. So what to put in the output terminal of this make contact block, we need to give a relay, but this is not a physical relay. We'll need to put a flag here. So if you go, you will find here M1. You can put any M flag. So just give it here. Well, let's do some simulation first. If we go here tool, then simulation, you will see the input switch is off, the output switch is off. As our input is turned off, output is also off. Here we are also seeing the current time and current date. So now if we press on this button, it will lead our Q1 switch, that is Q1 load. It will also update our logo display messages, and once I release this switch, it will automatically turn off and the message will also turn off or get updated into the display. So the simulation says we are fine. Let's try to upload this program to our logo PLC. So from here, transfer PC to logo. And you need to configure your PLC first. If everything is okay, you can also try the test option here. The test is okay. Now press the OK button. It will say your PLC is in run mode. If it is previously programmed, you want to stop it. Yes. The program has been uploaded. The device in stop mode. Do you want to run? Yes. Well, that's it from this software interface. Now we'll go into the hardware.